This is the ADHD Tutor Command Center, one spreadsheet for teaching with a busy brain. Students, sessions, lesson prep, invoices, parent messages, and your own head, all on a single comm screen called Today. It works in Excel and Google Sheets. Let me show you around. This is the Today screen, and you never fill it in by hand. Log a session or tick a box anywhere else, and every number here updates itself. One tab in the morning tells you exactly where the day stands. At a glance, 3 sessions today, your next one at 4, 9 lessons still to prep, $840 unpaid. Then your top 3. Prep Lily's SAT test, reply to the new student inquiry, send the Kim invoice reminder. If nothing else happens, those 3. Below that, the whole week, sessions booked and taught, parent follow-ups due, habits and morning routine, wins and mood. And the reminder underneath, no streaks to break. A canceled session is not a crisis. You log it and begin again. The student roster is every student in one comm place: subject, grade, hourly rate, parent contact. The session schedule pulls each student's subject and rate straight from here, so you set it once. Pause students keep their history, nothing to delete. The session schedule is the heart of the machine. Log each session once, and the subject, rate, and dollars fill themselves in from the roster. And today and earnings both read from this tab. 2 toggles per row. Is it prepped, and is it done? Lesson prep is a quick brain dump per session. What you're covering, what you need, and one ready toggle. It counts the preps still open, with a running low on materials list underneath. Prep the night before, and future use says thanks. Invoices and payments tracks every invoice from draft to paid, with a days out counter and an overdue flag. Underneath, a who owes what table totals it automatically by family, so $840 awaiting payment is never a mystery. The parent comms log is who you talk to, about what, and the follow-up you promised. The dashboard counts follow-ups coming due, 3 this week, so nothing slips. A 2-line text after a session is the cheapest retention tool in tutoring. And earnings totals it all from your session log. No math, no second job. Weekly and monthly revenue, and your average per taught hour, about $61.50 this week, all calculate themselves. Money landed, money awaited, and drafts you still need to send. Now the ADHD core. The brain dump catches anything between sessions, so it stops circling. Capture it on the next line, tag it, and move it to the right tab later. No pressure to sort it in the moment. The habit tracker is gentle by design. Tick the day you did the thing, and you get a percentage, never a streak. Miss a day and nothing breaks. You just pick it back up. Prep before 8. Send your recaps. Move your body. Setting it up is simple. Open settings once, put your students on the roster, and from then on you only touch the cream cells. A full sample week is preloaded. 10 students, 18 sessions, live invoices. It comes in 3 color looks, and it runs in Excel or Google Sheets. That's the ADHD Tutor Command Center. Your whole tutoring business and your brain on one comm screen. One-time purchase, lifetime updates. No subscription, no new app to learn. Find it on Etsy from the link below. Thanks for watching, and be gentle with yourself this week.